Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. Now it's for episode number 2, Masicka. There's mixed feelings about Masicka's performance. Some said he did good and take with the crowd. He had them going. Some people said he was out of breath and he should have been able to perform better as an experienced artist. Some people said he used tracks and bands, which was not good. And then some people said tracks and bands is better than what Kartel used and he performed better than the quote-unquote king. What do you think? Comments below. Remember to subscribe and follow.
I'm gonna be a fussy boss. All of the gangs are in the street when I take a violation. Come see something else. If you stand on the side of your friend and nobody can violate you, let me sit and see that suck. Oh, just step up and take a boss with the window. It's all o'clock, it's over. Hotel kitchen, now I shall be closed. 17 shoot of the shot cover. It's all o'clock, it's over. Hotel kitchen, now I shall be closed. 17 shoot of the shot Never be full of chips like it. All they take away about have you benefit of power to really catch a life and really tell them. Have it tell them you're the motor you take at the grave from the district of the grave for them. Them think that you're the motor like when me, you're the motor like when me, you're the motor show because it's out. Tell them you're the motor, someone had the barracks and die out. They go to them about the cheese, they pop it up and fly. What for real and tell them I just the foundation for the dinosaur. We just get to you. The foundation for the dinosaur. Who's going to some signal? Who's going to give us some signal? Hey, because we can on the places. And the person alive and burn. And now we are not the sun. You see in Jamaica what they write here, so I go on like them real youths. They can't style me. You hear that? Enough of them going like them real youths and no one youths on superstar. When they reach certain heights,